World Migratory Bird Day is an awareness raising campaign highlighting the need for the conservation of migratory birds and their habitats. The day is celebrated biannually on the second Saturday in May and in October. Bird migration is the regular seasonal movement, often north and south along a flyway between breeding and wintering grounds. The day aims to draw attention to the threats faced by migratory birds, their ecological importance, and the need for international cooperation to conserve them. The event was created to help turn the world's attention to the wonders of bird migration and the need for their conservation. This year, the campaign will focus on the phenomena of bird song and bird flight. This year's theme is Sing, Fly, and Soar Like a Bird. The theme highlights the importance of conserving and restoring the ecological connectivity and integrity of ecosystem. The theme also underlined the fact that migratory birds are parts of our natural heritage. Why do birds migrate? Let us listen to Abhinav Krishna of Plus One Biology, our Biodiversity Club member.
Birds migrate from an area of low or decreasing resources to an area of high or increasing resources. The two primary sources that are being sought are food and nesting locations. Birds that nest in the northern hemisphere tends to migrate northward in the spring to take advantage of burgeoning insects, population, budding plants, and an abundance of nesting locations. As winter approaches and the ability of insects and other food drops, the birds move south again. Escaping the cold is a motivating factor, but many species, including hummingbirds, can withstand freezing temperatures as long as an adequate supply of food is available. While the short-distance migrations are probably developed from a fairly for food, the origin of long-distance migrations are much more complex. They have evolved over thousands of years and are controlled at least partially by the genetic makeup of birds. They also incorporate responses to weather, geography, food resources, day length, and other factors.
How do birds navigate? Here is Ardra of Plus One Biology, our Biodiversity Club member.
Hello everyone. I am going to share some information regarding the migration of birds. Migrating birds can cover thousands of miles in their annual travel, often traveling the same course year after year with little deviation. The secrets of their amazing navigational skills aren't completely understood, partly because birds combine several different types of senses when they navigate. How do birds navigate? They get information from the sun and star. By sensing the Earth's magnetic field, they get information from the position of setting sun and also from the landmarks seen during the daytime. Millions of birds travel distances as great as 13,000 kilometers from the Arctic to wintering grounds as far south as New Zealand, and they require stepping stone sites to rest and feed along on the way. Flyways are systems of global importance for the conservation of bird species and their habitat.
The mechanisms initiating migratory behavior vary and are not always completely understood. Migration can be triggered by a combination of changes in day length, lower temperatures, changes in food supplies, and genetic predisposition. Anyway, avian migration is a miracle. Please share the video. Thank you all dears for watching.